The moment of truth. Moment of truth. All right. Woohoo! As you can see, guys, it was so easy. Probably 10 minutes. Just clean that carburetor. Take the cap off very slowly so that you don't cut the seal underneath. You don't have to buy one. And with carburetor cleaner, go in the middle. There's a little orifice hole. It's always blocked by carbon by having the gasoline within, like in the summertime. So it's so easy. put a like and a subscribe if you like it. I appreciate. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Wow, it's so cold outside. Most problems with lawnmowers and snow blowers, they stay for months in the summer with gas inside the bowl in the carburetor, and it then during the time solidifies, turns into a solid carbon. It takes a little effort to dissolve that carbon by just spraying carburetor cleaners, and it works. You don't need mechanic or anything else. When you take the carburetor bowl out, do it slowly so that you don't cut the seal, so that you don't have to buy one. So here is a good lesson, and 95% is chance that it will work, no problem. I hope you like it again. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.